Hello everyone. Today we'll start a new course with linear algebra. We'll talk about two-dimensional matrices, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we'll talk also about 3D matrices, addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices, and also we'll talk about two-dimensional matrices, inverse, and also 3D matrices inverse, and also how to find transpose of a matrix, 2D and 3D. And also you'll talk about linear equation. An equation is called linear if the powers of all variables in the equation are 1 and it is not involve any product of variables. For example, 2x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 3. This is a linear equation. Why? Because you see that all variables have the same power of 1. We see here x has power 1, y has power 1, z has a power 1. That's why, and we don't have a product of variables. For example, this one, we see that y has power of 2. This is not a linear equation. And also here we see that we have the product of y and z. That's why it is not a linear equation. Finally, this is a linear equation because all variables have the same power and we don't have the product of variables. And finally, we will learn how to solve those systems of equations when we have one solution unique, when no solution, and infinity, meaning many solutions. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.